Hi, good evening. How are you doing? I hope you are okay. Today, I'm going to talk about the main problems of society nowadays. I read the review of the song "Where Is the Love" and from Black Eyed Peas and "Dear Mr. President" from Pink. Um, so I'm gonna give my short opinion about what is happening in the world right now, the problems that we are facing. So I still want to believe that the greatest problem we have in our society is the lack of love for our fellow human being. Um, we have deeply forgotten God and do not obey His main commandments. This will lead to terrorism, greed, corruption, sexual abuse, and so on. Every day we are witness of problems that decades ago we did not imagine. Now we talk about a lot of gender violence, a generation that definitely does not want to do anything, massive use of technology without a beneficial purpose, and so on. In my opinion, there are a huge number of problems that we are surrounded with, but another big problem around the globe is corruption. Corruption is everywhere, touches everyone and everything. Academy, research, politics, sports, cinema, the spread and growing narcotics, etc. We really live in hard time for this kind of issues that are not good example for the new generations. Sadness, depression, uncertainty about the future, looking for jobs after graduation, wars and instability in countries, immigration, all these are problems facing modern society. And we have to do something. We have to give love, be loved. We have to respect if we want to be respected. Okay? I think that with God, everything is better. Everything changes with the love of God. Have a good night.